There is power in silence, especially when it comes to setting your goals. When you share your goals and plans with other people, you open yourself up to criticism and doubt. People may not believe that you can achieve what you set out to do, or they may try to dissuade you from doing it for their own personal interests or limiting beliefs. However, if you keep your goals to yourself, you avoid all of this negativity and can quietly focus on achieving your objectives, wowing them with the results after. Welcome to Epic State, your home for money, mindset, and motivation. If you truly think about it, most successful people don't talk about their goals. You see the finished results down the line. Few of them come out stating their plans in advance. They don't create videos on Instagram saying they plan to take over the world or become billionaires. They quietly work away in the background, which makes you wonder why the rest of us do the opposite. We feel, or have been told, that it will somehow keep us accountable. But does sharing really keep us accountable? Let's face it, most people who share this advice aren't necessarily the most successful. How many people do you actually know who have achieved what they said they would? I used to always share my plans with my friends and family, and all it leads to is disappointment and judgment when you fall short. They start to see you as a dreamer, whereas if you show results, however small, then the opposite happens. People are impressed and congratulate you. It's like going to the gym without stating that you plan to lose 100 pounds or get a six-pack. People will notice your improvements and compliment you, asking you what you did, rather than pointing out that you failed in getting a six-pack. People naturally respect and admire actions and results. As the saying goes, talk is cheap and actions speak louder than words. Of course, saying you will do something and following through is massively powerful. But most of us set ourselves up for failure, as we don't fully understand what we are trying to achieve. You may also change direction as you learn more and move forward. The path to success is rarely a straight line. Being silent keeps you grounded and allows you the freedom to move forward in the direction of your choosing. Ultimately, if you're sharing your goals, it's not about accountability, but attention. It's bragging. You get some of the desired respect that you get from the results themselves, without the actual work. But when you brag, people secretly hope that you will fail, or they voice their opinions which can affect the decisions you make. Don't get me wrong, seeking professional advice or mentorship is a great thing. You want to learn from people who have achieved what you want. But unsolicited advice from friends and family could do you more harm than good. Successful people don't feel the need to advertise, announce, or gloat about what they are doing. They let the results speak for themselves. Sure, it can feel lonely when working towards a personal goal, and this is often another reason why we feel the need to share. But ultimately, no one cares about your daily journey or struggle. They care about the end result. Have you noticed that everybody wants to know how you did something once you've achieved it? They see how fit you look or how much money you suddenly have, and they start asking questions. But they showed little interest in the daily grind when you talked about it during the process. So there are far more benefits to keeping goals to yourself in life than sharing it in advance. You are free to do what you want without the pressure, doubt, judgment, or opinion of other people. So give it a try, work in silence, and dazzle them with your success. With that said, we've come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, then hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more money, mindset, and motivation. Until next time.